Hey everyone, this is the homework video for 8:14, 8:15, and 8:16. So you should be watching this over the weekend and completing the associated assignment. So today in class, we created the layout to your website and we reviewed how to edit your website. Now for homework this weekend, you're going to start working on the individual page that you and your group members assign to each other. So in this video, what we're going to look at is how to actually edit the pages within Weebly, or you can hopefully translate this to whatever web page tool you decided to use instead. That way you guys will be able to do this easily and without too many troubles. So for starters, you'll need to go to the Weebly site that your technician shared with you in class today. So this is a sample site that I made, and I'm going to pretend that I'm doing a project for the Kilimanjaro location. So this is the home page, and if it's my responsibility to create the home page, it's also my responsibility to name the site. So you can be as creative or as straightforward as you want to be. I'm just going to name this Kilimanjaro. I think I spelled that correctly. Hopefully I did. And you'll notice underneath there are the different links to the different pages. So also on the home page, I'm going to want to find a picture that relates to my topic. So this is actually very pretty, but I'm probably going to go and find somewhere in Google a picture of Kilimanjaro, and I'm going to change it. The way I would do that is I would click Edit Image, I would click Upload Image, and I would upload a photo from my computer. That means I'll need to find a photo, save it to my computer, and then upload it to the background. On the home page, you'll also be able to add a headline and add information that you want. And you can also add more elements below, including images, titles, text, slideshows, maps. There's a ton of different things that you can add to your home page. Just remember that the home page should be basic, summary, overview information about your location. The more detailed information will occur on your other pages. So other group members will have either history pages, literary pages, or the works cited page. So let's say I have a history page. I'll click and go to that. You'll notice that the top remains the same. What you will change is what's below. So say I need to complete a historical page. The first thing that's going to occur is within my groups, we decided who is responsible for which of the jigsaw terms. So say that I got a page that I was supposed to write about the people who are in Kilimanjaro. That might be my topic. A topic that another one of my group mates might have is about the Easter Rising and the related executions. Then perhaps the third group mate for the third historical page will write about living conditions and the Kilimanjaro Treaty that ended those terrible living conditions. Then this date, which is the date that the Kilimanjaro opened, that will probably go on the home page. So you can see I've divided up the information based upon what page it will go on. Now my page I've been assigned will have James Connolly and Charles Stewart Parnell. So when I go back here, my headline will be something along the lines of the people imprisoned in Kilimanjaro, just to show what information I will have under here. Next, I'm going to drag a text box here. And I can click and type whatever I want to in that text box. So for homework tonight, you're going to create the title of your page, and you're just going to bullet point the information that needs to be on this web page. I don't need you to type it out yet. I just want you to bullet point all the info that you're going to have. So I need to write about James O'Connolly, and I also need to write about Parnell. So I'm going to put their names on there, and then I'll probably do Well, I'll put their names on there, and then I'm going to add extra information. So I'll put my fact number 1. You guys will actually need to type out the facts. I don't like how this is formatted. I'm going to be a bit of a stickler about it. So I'm going to get rid of this. All right, there we go. I like that better. So I'll have fact 1, fact number 2. I might add in a quote in there. And then I'll make sure to, all right, and I'll make sure to add in the author that it came from. And then I might add in one more fact about James Connolly. Then, for Parnell, I also will add in facts about him. And again, just as a reminder, so we're not confused, you'll actually be writing out the information that you find. And then I'll have another fact about him and another fact about him. Now, you really shouldn't have to go look up these facts. They should all be located in the jigsaw that you completed a couple days ago. Now, if you realize, man, I don't have enough facts, I didn't find enough things, you might have to go online and do some more research. If you do go online and do some more research, make sure to record additional URLs on your page so that you can go back and add them to your works cited page later. All right, so this is all you have to do for homework tonight. If you have the home page, you're going to set up the home page and do your bulleted information as to what's going to go on the home page. If you have a historical page, you will title your historical page and bullet point what information needs to be there. If you have a literary page, you'll also title it, and your bulleted information will be about the poem or excerpt from a story instead of about history, but it will still be the same, it will be bulleted. All right, so you'll put all the information that you'll want to write about. If you do have a literary page, instead of grabbing information from the jigsaw, you'll grab your information from the TPcast instead. Now, if you've been assigned a works cited page, you should have a list of all the URLs from the jigsaw assignment, and you will take those URLs and you'll turn them into a works cited page on this tab. So that's what you need to do for homework tonight. If you're still confused after the video, please feel free to email me. Remember, my email is jgeis@rthighschool.org. All right, good luck and have fun. Bye.